first predators, reality digitized. When the internet came, the theater of performance moved to a new stage, one lit by a cold blue glow and silly usernames. Chat rooms felt like alleys at first, then like markets, then like a hall of mirrors. I was honest about my age. I said I was 15 and 16. I told the truth. And I learned something cold. Honesty doesn't stop predators. It only clarifies how willing they are to ignore the obvious. Grown men messaged in polite sentences that turned sharp if you didn't reply how they wanted. Compliments arrived like paper boats with knives folded inside. The attention was intoxicating because it felt like validation until it didn't. I met some of them. That was my choice. Youthful curiosity colliding with poor guidance, and a world that taught me to charm rather than protect myself. I wasn't seeking harm, though. I was trying to practice womanhood in a world that taught me how to perform it, but not how to own it. Those early, frightening encounters taught me a brutal truth. Predators don't always creep in the dark. Sometimes they sit in chat rooms, calling themselves fathers or businessmen. Sometimes they wear compliments like coats until they're knifing with them. Lesson 1. Trust your gut. Lesson 2. Curiosity is natural. Protection is learned. Lesson 3. You can be curious and cautious at the same time. Teach kids the difference.